My name is Barry Bryan, and I am Vice President and owner here at DRM. We are an industrial controls company. We put in robotics for industry, and we also make any kind of equipment run faster, better, and safer inside an industrial environment.
Hi, I'm Hope McDowell. I am CTE Program Manager with Lawrence County Schools. I think we have built wonderful relationships within the past few years with our community. I think that the students are being able to see at a much younger age the opportunities that are available within our community.
If something like a career in a technical atmosphere is something that's going to suit them, we want to get that into their mindset as quickly as we can.
The ultimate goal is for them to be able to enter in the workforce, and the whole just scheme of it all improves our community.
The quicker that we can get them in, the more training they have before they get here, the more quickly they're going to become productive and really engage and really enjoy their job.
It helps them guide their course selections to finishing out their middle school years and into high school. The high school kids, it reinforces that they're like, yes, I've been on the right path. Or it could be, whoa, I've got to get into more courses for this, or may even mold and change their majors.
For us, it means that we're going to get a better prepared workforce. What's great is we have students coming directly out of high school who can come right in here, who already have the skills that they need to get started working.
Sky's the limit.